Hey guys, I'm back with another new app and that is Plan Your Day. As we all know that we are having many of the words in the whole thing. So I thought that let's make an app and that we can plan our day. Okay, so let me show you how I have made it and let's begin with the designing first. So here as we all know that we have to go firstly in the designing. So here we are. Now the ID of the screen one is home. The background color is white. Then after that, what we have done is we are having a home. Okay, this is the background. This is the background image which I have chosen. You can take it from any other platform if you want. Then after that, I have taken a button here that is start. Okay, and then the text is plan your day. Width is 250, height is 85, X position is 30, Y position 335. The text color is white as you can see here. Background color is black. Font family impact. And the font size is 36. Text alignment centered and that's it. So we are done with the first screen. Let's move on to the next screen. Let's see which is our next screen. I'm clicking here. Now your daily task. Okay, so here are the daily tasks. So now just see it very carefully if you are having. Okay, just see it very carefully. So firstly, as on the screen ID is daily task. The background color is red, I think. Yes, it is. Let me make a change. Yes. Okay. So now after that, we have taken a label here. Now this label is in the text we have written your daily task and minute time required to spend on. Okay, so this is our we can say a hint or whatever we can do. Now the next is after that we have taken a small image of sleeping. Then it is here image 6 with 30, height 30, exposition 35, y position 105. Then we have uh, uploaded that image, and after that image is contained with image. After that we have taken a label that is sleep. Okay, and the width is 100, height is 25, exposition 50, y position 110. Okay, as you can see rest all the properties. After that what we have done is that after that we have taken another label. In that we have just suppose a we have just suppose a label text at 8 hour. Okay, and after that as like the same we have done the whole for the study, sports, entertainment, family time, and that's it. So what you will do is just do the sleep one, and then after you have to just copy these four and you have to paste another images, and that's it. At the last we have taken a button and that is create schedule. The ID is create schedule and the text is set hours you're spend today. Okay, we are gonna set the hours that whatever we are gonna spend on which topic. Like suppose we are sleeping at 8 hours or like that. Okay, width is 300, height is 40, X position 10, Y position 345, and that's it, I think. Yes. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, scheduling. Now, so here, guys, please see it very carefully because it is little bit complicated. So the first thing is the ID of the screen 3 years schedule day. Background color is blue, and after that we have added a image. Then what we have done is we have taken a label here that is ID my schedule. Text is also my schedule. Width is 161, height is 28, X position 105, Y position 60. Text color red, and that's it. Yes. The next is whatever we have just coded in the previous screen, you have to just to code it here. Only the little bit things are we have added two more things, and those are here is the minus button. Okay, this is the minus button as you can see here, and after that we have taken a, so this is a minus, and after that it is a image basically. If you can see here, here's the image which is uploaded, and the plus, and at the middle here is the uh, label, that is ID, and this as like the same we have done for the whole. And after that we have taken a save, which is update. I mean to say here we have the ID is update and the text is save. Rest all the properties you may do it by yourself. Now display schedule. This is the last screen. Okay, so now in this screen, the background is the background planar.jpg, and the ID is display schedule. Now, so in the first one, what we have done is, so this was the whole image. Okay, this is the whole image. Only what we have done is in the position that we are having the sleep, in that position at the same image we have just put it a label, and in that we have put it a ID, that is label sleep 1, that is blank, study blank, then entertainment, sport, family time, and after that we are having a button, that is button back, text is back, width is 100, and these are the properties. Let's move on to the code quickly. So now what is the main thing here is, let me just show you. Okay, yes, so now at the first we have just described it. So now firstly we have taken a variable, there is no need of doing the first and third code. So now variable task is equal to, here we have taken another block from the variables. Okay, you can take this block very easily. I think there is no need to tell. Okay, after that on event start button, when we are gonna click the start button, so here this is the start button. When we'll click on this, it is going to set the screen to the daily task. Okay, here we are. Now it will play a sound. Whatever sound you want, you can play. The other one is create schedule. This is the another button, that is create schedule. And when we are going to click here, it is going to show us the schedule day. Okay, here. Now when we are going to click on the back option, okay, it is update button. So for the update button, we have coded here. So when we are going to click on the update button, okay, so what is going to happen? So if we are going to click on the label entertainment task 3, it is gonna plus like +1 +2 like this. Okay, in this set text label sleep 1, here it is sleep hour. Okay, so what is gonna happen is, when we are gonna click on the plus, it is gonna increase. When we are going to click on the minus, it is gonna decrease. Okay, here are the codes for the increasing and for the decreasing also. Okay, now so this is just for the explanation, you can see here. Now let me just show you for the increasing one. When we are going to click on the plus button, the task 2 is equal to, then we are having a block from the maths, and then it is gonna plus to the task 2 +1. In the, it is gonna set the text in the sport, here it is, and the at that test, I mean the next screen, We are gonna see the whole result in that, and after that on event task entertainment click. Like this we have to do the whole code. Only what you have to do is you have to just to change the properties and that's it. Okay. In the task sleep hour, when we are gonna click on the minus, it's gonna minus the sum. Okay. After that, I think we are done with this. Now let's move on to the last screen. Display schedule. So here, when we are gonna click on the back button, is gonna come on the schedule day, and that's it. Let's check it out whether it is working perfectly or not. Let's plan now. Your day, the daily task and minute time required to spend on sleep, 8 hours, and all of that. Set hours you spend today. So now here, if you're gonna click on the plus button, it is gonna increase. If you're gonna click on the minus button, it is gonna decrease. Suppose I have done the sleep for the uh, 9 hours and study for the 3 hours or 4 hours and sports for the 1 hour, entertainment for the 1 hour, and family time for the 2 hour. Let's make it safe. So here we are. As you can see, sleep 9 hours, study 4 hour, entertainment 1 hour, sports 1 hour, family time 2 hour. So this is what we have created today, and that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up, and I will soon meet in my next video with a beautiful and amazing app. So you can also comment me below this video and give me some suggestions that which type of apps you want that I can make. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will soon meet in the next video. Till that, take care and bye bye.